back to my new videos. So this is a dress transformation video. This is probably the best dress I transformed so far, and I really like it. So this is a dress I got before. I didn't know that was a fake one, so I regret I bought that fake one. I did my best to transform this dress and it looks so much better than before, but it's not perfect because the dress I bought was not good quality and the cutting and the form was not good. So you can see this part, it looked a bit messy. It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like that. It's a Rococo inspired style, and also the ruffles, they didn't make ruffles on the lace trim. It's supposed to be like that, ruffled, not just a straight lace trim. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I'm not 100% like this dress, but it looks so much better than before, especially like around this area. Those bows are all detachable because if I want to wash the dress, I can just take the bow out. I think that's a really good idea. A lot of fancy Lolita dress, the decorations are detachable. The flower or the bows in the front, like around this area, and also some of like decorations on the dress, they all detachable. So this is detachable as well. Not sure what the English name of this part. A cover around the dress part. I will make a separate video how to make like this part, and then it will make your dress a lot of prettier. So this dress is inspired by the Rococo style and Lolita fashion. It looks so pretty. So firstly, I will remove all the accessories. I will remove the bows, I will remove the lace. Look, even the lace is like falling apart. Okay? It's a really bad quality. It's like this now, so I need to sew it back together. Sew the gold lace from the strap from here. You will need those to make the bows 20 centimeter, 35 centimeter. Wow, I'm surprised. It looks really good. You could sew it in the front or use this pin. So if you wash the dress, you can take the bow out. And I'll just pin this one on. Wow, it looks really fancy. I'm really surprised. And then I will make another bow, make a bigger bow, but in similar design.
So beautiful.
Do you think I should make a similar bow but in different design?
I
like
think
that.
Too much is too much. I think you should do just the right amount so that it's not gauche.
You think it's too much gold? You think it's too much, but it's not too much gold. I will have just one more bow here with a longer ribbon. It should have a bow right here. Another way is I could make a smaller bow and to sew it here. Boom, boom. And with a big bow, so this dress will look.
I think that would be too much.
Okay, then we don't.
I think this makes a nice accent, nice accent. It accents the rest of the dress.
Yes.
I think if you put a bow here, it needs to be a complementary bow, not exactly the same kind.
How about I use this fabric to make a bow? But I will have
That almost works. Is there a way to put like a stripe with one of these other fabrics on it?
Yes.
Maybe a gold. Maybe,
yes, I can sew. You want the gold?
Maybe.
Yes, I can make it.
Maybe something like that, because that would be a little bit complementary. You bring this and that together.
Oh, so it's not exactly the same.
Not exactly the same. And this bow would be like a striped bow.
Okay.
Look at this. I've got my construction tools and you've got your sewing tools.
Yes.
This
Double
is just
bow?
a suggestion. I don't know if it's going to look good. I could look at it when you're done and say, nope, it's ugly.
No, I will not redo it. If I
Just like my bathroom, when you walk in and you say, what color on the wall is that? I don't like it. And then I have to redo it. Or maybe the gold bow is just like part of the middle.
No, it should be.
Or this could be part of the middle. Watch. Or a tiny bow inside a big bow.
No, it won't work. Gold
You know
bow.
what? Maybe you just go back and put like 6 bows on it.
No, that's too many bows. But you're supposed to
Could
have
you ever
a bow.
have too many bows?
You're supposed to have a bow on the waist part.
Could you ever have too many bows?
No, I don't know. This one's really good.
Maybe
So-
the bow should just be a normal color bow
No, that's
with
don't
some
match.
of these on it and one of those, but not these. This is the accent. This bow is one of these and some of that, but this is the accent up there and not down here. Like that. And then what's that thing? Do you have another one of those?
I don't have this anymore.
I think
Stitch.
that'd be the right way to do it, is some sort of thing like this on the bow, and don't reuse the gold, because that's a real accent up there. But this ties it together, that little bit right there, because this is more sophisticated than this. This is just like really, really bling bling and in your face. This is more classic.
Okay, so should I sew some lace on the bow?
Do you have matching lace?
This is the only one I have.
Where did you get that? Did you take it off the dress, didn't you?
Yeah, I took it off the old dress I made. I don't like that dress now, so I have 2 of those. I could sew it on the ends and like that.
If you could do something like that, that might look okay, actually. It really doesn't tie in. Let me go work on my bathroom, because I'm all about the bathroom right now. Looks beautiful, baby. Whatever you do, it's going to look beautiful. And now I done forgot my measurement. I got to go back up and measure.
So I don't have the idea right now, so I will make the bow the last. Let's work on the lace part. I will make the button lace part first, and then I will work on the bow. I will be using this lace. This lace is not pure white. It's kind of off-white. This is the original. They put it the lace, and it's kind of cream. So I use off-white to go together with the cream, because I got some white on the top. I will sew it from the bottom, so the dress will look longer as well. This dress is kind of short. Firstly, I will overlock the edge. You could also hem it, but I will overlock it. Right now, I'm just sewing this layer to the bottom part. And then I will sew the 2 ends together, and I will overlock the edge. And then I will add more lace, like under this one and under here. One more layer, like right here. Do you guys like this dress? I actually made another mistake. See the lace? It's supposed to go all the way. Okay, let me put it down and see how it looks. Wow, I look really good in it. So this is the only accessory I can find this color. It's similar, but this one got cat ears. I wish this one doesn't have cat ears. Yeah, I can remove the cat ears. Maybe I'll just wear this one instead. Yeah, this one works. I will also put my hair up. I just pulled up all my hair, and I kind of think wavy hair will match the outfit more. And the matching shoes, so I'll put this one on. I just changed to another accessories. Maybe this one is better. The side bands is too short. I prefer the side bands is this long and curly. Let me show you guys the full look. I changed my side bands a little bit. I prefer have side bands that's this long. I will do more dress transformation, and I will do better next time. I want to transform a few dresses before I make something from scratch, because I haven't sewn for a long time. I want to get more practice and then make a dress from scratch. I'm very happy to the final look.